When it comes to vaginal health, there's a lot of misinformation, silence, and stigma that surrounds the topic. However, the more you know, the more empowered you are to take care of one of the most sensitive and complex parts of the female body. Let's dive into some highly educational and mind-blowing facts about vaginal health that everyone should know. One of the most amazing things about the vagina is its ability to clean itself. The vaginal walls naturally secrete mucus that helps to remove dead cells, bacteria, and other impurities. This helps maintain the correct balance of good bacteria, known as lactobacilli, which keeps infections at bay. Mind-blowing fact: you don't need to use douches or scented products. These can disrupt the natural pH balance, causing infections. Just clean the vulva with water and mild soap. Dead. The vagina has a delicate pH balance that is slightly acidic, typically around 3.8 to 4.5. This acidity helps to control harmful bacteria and yeast, preventing infections like bacterial vaginosis and yeast infections. An imbalance in pH can lead to infections, irritation, or unpleasant odors. Mind-blowing fact: things like semen, scented products, or even tight synthetic clothing can disrupt the pH balance, leading to infections. It's important to wear breathable, cotton underwear and avoid unnecessary products down there. Vaginal discharge changes throughout the menstrual cycle. It's normal for discharge to vary in texture and color depending on where you are in your cycle. Clear or white discharge is typically healthy, but it's important to recognize abnormal changes. Watch out for: yellow or green could be a sign of infection. Grayish-white with odor might indicate possible bacterial vaginosis. Thick, cottage cheese-like discharge is likely a yeast infection. Mind-blowing fact: if you notice these changes, it's important to see a healthcare provider rather than self-diagnosing. Early treatment of infections can prevent more serious complications. Healthy vaginal flora protects against STIs. The vagina has a community of good bacteria, primarily lactobacilli, which work like the body's natural defense system. A healthy vaginal flora not only maintains pH balance, but also acts as a barrier against sexually transmitted infections. Mind-blowing fact: regular use of antibiotics, stress, and poor hygiene can wipe out healthy bacteria, leaving the vagina vulnerable to infections. Probiotic supplements and fermented foods, like yogurt, can help restore good bacteria. Kegels aren't just for older women. Kegel exercises, which strengthen the pelvic floor muscles, are crucial for women of all ages. These muscles support your bladder, bowel, and uterus, and strengthening them can improve bladder control, enhance sexual pleasure, and even ease childbirth recovery. Mind-blowing fact: just a few minutes a day of Kegel exercises can make a big difference in vaginal health and help prevent issues like urinary incontinence later in life. Lubrication is a sign of a healthy vagina. Vaginal lubrication is not only essential for comfortable and enjoyable sex, but it's also an important part of vaginal health. Lubrication protects the delicate tissues of the vagina from friction and tearing, especially during sexual activity. Mind-blowing fact: vaginal dryness can happen due to hormonal changes, like during menopause or after childbirth, stress, or medications. If you experience vaginal dryness, using a water-based lubricant is a safe and effective solution. What you eat plays a huge role in vaginal health. A balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains can promote a healthy vaginal pH and help prevent infections. Foods like yogurt, garlic, and cranberries are especially good for promoting healthy vaginal flora. Here's a mind-blowing fact. Sugary and processed foods can feed harmful bacteria and yeast, increasing the risk of infections like yeast infections. Drink plenty of water and include probiotic-rich foods in your diet for optimal vaginal health. Some sexually transmitted infections, or STIs, can be present without any noticeable symptoms, which is why regular screenings are so important. Even without symptoms, infections like chlamydia, gonorrhea, or herpes can still be passed to a partner and cause long-term health issues, such as infertility. Mind-blowing fact. Even if you feel healthy, it's important to get regular STI tests if you're sexually active, especially with new or multiple partners. Using condoms can also significantly reduce your risk. Your menstrual cycle gives you important clues about your vaginal and overall health. A regular, consistent period can be a sign of good reproductive health, while changes like irregular periods, very heavy bleeding, or severe cramps can signal underlying health problems. Mind-blowing fact. Irregular periods could be linked to conditions like polycystic ovary syndrome, or PCOS, thyroid issues, or hormonal imbalances. If you experience irregularities, it's a good idea to consult with a healthcare provider. Mental health has a direct impact on vaginal health. Stress, anxiety, and depression can lead to changes in the body, including vaginal dryness or infections. Chronic stress can also weaken the immune system, making the vagina more susceptible to infections. Mind-blowing fact. Practicing mindfulness, managing stress, and maintaining a healthy mental state are just as important for your vaginal health as physical care. Understanding and caring for vaginal health isn't just about preventing infections or discomfort. It's about embracing a holistic view of women's health. From keeping your pH balance in check to eating right and practicing Kegels, small, everyday steps can help you maintain optimal vaginal health and well-being. Empower yourself by debunking myths, following science, and listening to your body's needs. Vaginal health is an essential part of overall wellness, and the more informed you are, the better you can protect and care for it.